In this video today, I will tell you like how many connectors we should use in IELTS writing task 1 and 2 as well. So basically in task 2. So today I'll tell you a word in which or by which you can easily learn the connectors and use the connectors. So the word is bands brew. In which bands, first of all I'm going to describe bands, in which B stands for because, A although, N not only but also, D despite, since, S. Okay, and now I'll talk about brew. In this, brew stands for because, rather, E either or, W whilst, and one more connector, however, it is very important. So with the help of bands brew, you can easily use the connectors and you don't need to memorize number of connectors, and it will not only bring the variety in your essay, it will automatically create the variations in sentences like not only but also, either or. So like this, to know more about tips and tricks, do like and follow the page. Thank you.